Hello, everyone, and welcome to Phonics Fun. Thank you for joining us today. Today, we're going to be learning the ng sound. My turn. Ng. Your turn. Ng. When the letters N and G are on their own, they make the sounds n and g. When they're next to each other, they become friends. And these two letters together make one sound. Ng. So we call this a digraph, where two letters make one sound. So these two letters together make one sound. See if you can listen carefully and hear the ng sound in these words. Ring. Well done if you said at the end. The ng sound is at the end of the word. King. Again, the sound is at the end of the word. Sing. The ng sound is at the end of the word sing. Swing. The ng sound is at the end of the word swing. Listen carefully. Can you find the word with the ng sound in it? Shirt. Apple. Wings. Which one was it? Was it apple, shirt, or wings? That's right, it was wings. That has the ng sound in it. Blending Bot is trying to say some words. Let's see if we can help him. I, ng, ring. Ng, sing. We have been learning the ng sound today. Thanks for joining, everybody, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any lessons or other learning videos.